Okay, so we are going to make a chain tassel using a bead. So this is another type of focal, and I'm sure you've seen many of these before. So you're going to need some chain. It can be scrap chain, a piece of wire or an eye pin, and a bead that you want to, really bring out. So this is a Himalayan river stone, okay? And what it is that it cleanses your aura, you guys. It gives you great energy. And again, you can find that out in a class that I teach about Crystal Energy 101. That'll be linked in the resources. So we're going to make sure that on our round nose we use the larger end so that the chain will go on there. So just make a simple loop, and this is again 20 gauge wire. Okay, so I made my simple loop. I'm going to slide my bead or my stone onto there. Like that. Okay, you got it? Yeah, we got that, Angela. Keep going. All right. So I'm just gonna make a simple wrap. You know this because you've been practicing from the first portion of this video. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna let it be a little messy wrap to give it a little more personality, so you can use as much or as little as you want. I just like that look. Okay, so I'm going to cut off my excess, get the cleaners, and tuck it under, tighten it up, tighten it up, y'all. That's that messy wrap. I like that. You see how free flowing that was? So that's my bead. And now for the chain, I'm going to do this the easy way to measure. This is a great way to measure. You slide one link of the chain onto an eye pin or a scrap piece of wire, and depending how long you want your tassels to be, you can cut and then look, repeat that process. But now you get to see, like, oh, okay, they're all gonna be even, so I'll make that other cut. You see, that's a good thing. So I'm gonna keep going. You can use as much or as little as you want. Okay. And I think I want two more. We'll do 5. You guys, that's a good number too. My favorite number is 7. Because I was born on the 7th day of August. So, yeah, it's Leo Rar season over here. Okay, so that is what I am doing. Right, I gotta get that little piece off of there. It's always one that wants to hang out and do something it's not supposed to do, right? So I can leave it like this and just open that up. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. So this loop that we have at the bottom, we're just gonna open it up kind of like a jump ring. I'm gonna slide these babies on. Okay, I thought I was gonna do something cool. Didn't happen that way, you guys. I was like, the magic is not gonna happen today. Not today, y'all. So see, you guys get to see my little bloopers. I'm just adding each of the chain links to the bottom of this loop. That's what, now you see why we had to make it so big. And then you're gonna take your round nose and close that loop back up, okay? And look, there you have it. now you have a focal, and you can add this onto a necklace. You know, one of them fancy necklaces. Yeah, I like that, you guys. It's so, ooh. Or, dang, it could be some earrings too, you guys. That's kind of funky. So you want to make sure that you don't use a heavy stone. But the magic was all in how big that loop was. And you can even add, you know, charm dangles to the ends to really make it pop, or seed beads, however you want to embellish. Okay, I'm gonna keep using embellish. So yeah. Okay, so watch this again, because this was the link I was looking for the last time, you guys. So I can add this. If I had a jump ring, I can add this on to really make it pop. Okay, so that's an idea as well. So use your links, you guys. I'd love to see what necklaces you guys are creating. You'll see mine in the photos. Okay.